Ever struggled to represent numbers to the power of on your keyboard and ended up with something like 333 instead of y cubed? Let's ditch those workarounds and learn how to accurately type exponents, adding a professional touch to your documents and calculations. Method 1. The trusty keyboard shortcut. This method works best if you have a numeric keypad on your keyboard. We'll use a combination of the Alt key and a special code. To type a number to the power of 2, you'll press and hold the Alt-Gr or right Alt key, then on your numeric keypad, type a 178, release the Alt-Gr key, and voila! You have your superscript 2. For a superscript 3, it's just as easy. Hold down the Alt-Gr key, type a 179 on the numeric keypad, and release. You'll get your superscript 3. Keep in mind, different superscripts have different Alt codes, but 2 and 3 are the most common for powers like squared and cubed. Don't have a numeric keypad, or want a visual way to find all sorts of special characters? Let's explore the character map. On Windows, search for character map in your start menu. This handy tool displays all the characters your computer has access to. Find the superscript number you need, click select, then copy, and then paste it directly into your document, email, or online platform. It's like a little treasure chest of text. Finally, for word processing powerhouses like Microsoft Word or Google Docs, there are built-in features. Simply type your number, then type the exponent number. Select the exponent number you just typed, right-click and choose font. Or look for the superscript button in the toolbar. €, it's usually an X with a little 2 above it. Click the superscript option, and your exponent will magically appear. Now you're a pro at typing numbers to the power of